Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the immediate environment. Confirm the language, runtime, and dependency versions so you avoid environment drift. Next, reduce the problem to a minimal reproducible code block. This isolates the failing logic and rules out unrelated modules. Once done, enable verbose logging and capture the full stack trace so you know where execution diverges. You do this because targeted data reduces guesswork and speeds diagnosis. Follow these steps now before making code changes. You should now step through the isolated code with a debugger and set conditional breakpoints to catch only relevant iterations. This reveals runtime state when the error occurs. Then compare expected versus actual variable values and input/output to find mismatches, because logic errors often hide in assumptions. Make external calls deterministic by swapping in lightweight mocks or stubs. Once done, rerun tests to see if the issue persists, which tells you whether the problem is internal or caused by integration. You now apply a minimal, reversible fix that addresses the proven root cause, then run unit and integration tests to verify behavior under real conditions. Make sure to document the change, add a regression test, and increment version metadata so future runs catch the issue early. If the error persists, use git bisect or revert to the last known good build to narrow the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: clear caches and rebuild artifacts. Stale build output often masks the true state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.